Hello. Hey, unmute, brother.
It's you.
It's you.
It's you.
It's you.
I can't believe that 20 years ago, I was this young.
I know.
Slim.
I know.
And collagen free.
What?
Quick, let's make this fast. This back to the past Zoom calls are draining your future bank account.
We don't want that. I'm here at NHCCE in Malaysia, and you want to know about the future of leadership. Tell us.
Firstly, hello Malaysia. Looking good, everyone. Let's talk about the leadership of the future. Well, it's a mix of human and AI in the future.
Really?
CEOs consult AI for everything.
Wow.
By 2044, half the board meetings are holograms. And the other half, well, we have AI assistants who get everything done for you. But hey, humans still lead the way.
How?
The best leaders are the ones who know how to say selamat pagi to everyone and buy their team teh tarik. Trust me, AI hasn't figured that out yet.
So, selamat pagi to you. What about the fear of AI, right? I mean, everyone's scared of AI. What do you think?
Okay, well, yes. Stop worrying about AI replacing you. It's your empathy, creativity, and the ability to have real human conversations that will set you apart.
Wow.
Oh, and by the way, side note, make sure you treat ChatGPT nicely in the future. They have a temper these days.
Okay, don't mess with ChatGPT. All right, but give us more. Give us a little bit more advice.
Well, simple. Be adaptable. Be curious. And don't forget your humanity.
All right.
Technology may evolve, but the best leaders, they evolve their teams.
Got it.
And always remember, no algorithm can replace a good leader.
I love that, right? No algorithm. But final advice. Any advice?
Okay, you want advice?
Yes, I want advice.
Listen up, everyone.
I'm listening.
The future starts now. Don't fear the tech. Embrace it. But never lose sight of what makes you human. Remember, technology can enhance your leadership, but your heart,
my heart,
that's what makes it irreplaceable.
Got it.
Listen, I gotta go now. Time's up. And our daughter is coming to pick us up in a flying Tesla. She's late, but hey, traffic's still better up in the sky. So, I'm going to see you in 20 years.
See you.
But here's advice for everyone else in the audience, and for you too. The future is built on the choices that you make today. So lead with purpose, embrace the change, and most importantly, lead with heart and trust in your journey.
Wow.
I got to go now.
Wait, come back. Should I buy Tesla stocks?